Iranian Foreign Minister Hossein Amir-Abdollahian announced that the crew of a Portuguese flagged ship allegedly linked to Israel and including Indian nationals has been granted consular access and is expected to be released. This information, reported by Reuters citing Iranian media, sheds light on the situation surrounding the container vessel MSC Aries, which had a crew of 25 members, including 17 Indians. Notably, one of the Indian crew members, Anne Tessa Joseph, was released and returned home on April 18. The seizure of MSC Aries by Iran's Revolutionary Guards occurred in the Strait of Hormuz on April 13, shortly after Tehran declared its intent to retaliate for a suspected Israeli strike on its consulate in Damascus. Iran's foreign ministry clarified that the seizure of the Aries was due to alleged violations of maritime laws and affirmed its conviction that the vessel was linked to Israel. Iranian Foreign Minister Amir-Abdollahian emphasized to his Portuguese counterpart, Paulo Rangel, the significance of the humanitarian aspect concerning the release of the ship's crew. Amir-Abdollahian assured Rangel that the crew members would be handed over to their respective ambassadors in Tehran. However, the timing of the release remained uncertain. On Thursday, the Indian Foreign Ministry said that the 16 Indians aboard Aries were in good health and were in constant touch with their families. These 16 people we had asked consular access for, which we got. Our officers went there and met. Foreign Ministry spokesperson Randhir Jaiswal said, "They are in constant touch with their families, their health is good, and they have no problems of any kind on board the ship," Jaiswal added. Against the backdrop of escalating tensions between Iran and Israel, Iran's Revolutionary Guards conducted a raid on the MSC Aries near the Strait of Hormuz as it voyaged towards Mumbai. The raid, executed via helicopter, occurred in the wake of Israel's alleged strike on Iran's consulate in Damascus earlier in the month. The MSC Aries, a container ship flying the Portuguese flag, is affiliated with London-based Zodiac Maritime, a subsidiary of the Zodiac Group owned by Israeli billionaire Eyal Ofer. MSC, the operating company of the Aries, confirmed Iran's seizure of the vessel and expressed its commitment to collaborate with the relevant authorities to ensure the safe return of the ship and the well-being of its 25 crew members.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.